Hi everyone. Continuing with the NLP and art connection, I thought of making another video. Pardon my voice, I'm having little cold. Like I always tell in my videos that you should not be stressed while making painting, or never force a child to make a painting or learn art because it causes stress. Why it is so important to not be stressed, I'll talk about, because our brain has a big role to play in it. जब भी हमारा ब्रेन कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन को देखता है ना जिससे उसको लगता है कि हमें स्ट्रेस होता है या हम उससे स्ट्रेस्ड आउट फील कर रहे हैं, it starts releasing hormones, prominent of which is adrenaline, which gets us into a fight or a flight mode. और वो fight or flight mode कैसे आता है? Our heartbeat starts increasing because it will pump more blood so that we can run away from the situation or fight that situation. And to run or fight, we need more sugar also. So can you imagine? We don't need that sugar. We don't need that, heartbeat. But that will automatically happen in the body because the brain does not know that this situation needs us to fight or flight. The only thing it knows is that it is a stressful situation and I have to take the person out of it. So stress in any form is bad. So on one hand I am telling you, art releases your stress, and on the other hand because you get caught up कि हाय मेरी पेंटिंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं बन रही है तो मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, उसकी बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग बन रही है ग्रुप में, इफ देयर इज समबडी एल्स, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ अ ग्रुप वर्कशॉप, आई एम नॉट एबल टू पेंट एज गुड एज द अदर वन. It just not causes you, a little unhappiness, but mind you, it affects your health. So be very careful about it. And the best way to do this is relax. Enjoy the painting. There is no competition. It is a learning. Sometimes you make a good painting, sometimes not so good painting. And it is a process. We have to enjoy it. When we enjoy the process, happy hormones are released in the mind. That in that state, when we are in that happy state, whatever we do, our brain stores it in a place which will make us a better human being, a better artist. That is why it's very important to paint with lot of happiness. And when it comes to children, never ever force them. Imagine that they are working under stress, something as beautiful as art, and it is causing stress. So it is not just causing a kind of discomfort, but it is also affecting their health. You don't want them to have a high BP or a high sugar. Why do you think the young people are getting all these problems? Because they are always in stress, and the mind thinks that the person needs to either fight that situation or run away from that situation. So constantly, if constantly this happens over a period of time, it even leads to diseases like diabetes or blood pressure. So that I am talking about the big things, but I am basically as an artist focused on art, and I want to ensure all the people who learn from me, they should enjoy the process. This is what I keep repeating in my workshops. Never get stressed out. It's not just a matter that you want to stay happy, but imagine the health consequences of stress. So at least art can be one thing which helps us being happy, positive, optimistic, and not any kind of stress. There is no competition in art. Just enjoy the whole process and you will see how wonderfully you will start painting. And this is especially for the parents of the kids who want their children to learn art. Please never force them, because they don't have the, most of the time the children won't say no to you. They will sit and start painting. Imagine what stress will cause in their body. They will not be even able to fight or fly. They will have to sit and paint. But the hormones that are released in the body, and that surge of hormones will cause them some kind of physical ailment also. Sometimes they may find that they are having they are having fever or something when you force them something to do. So stress has to be taken seriously, dealt with it. And especially in art, there shouldn't be stress. Art is a stress buster. So, whenever you sit to paint, do it to enjoy it, not to have a competition with anybody else. Thank you.